can see it's starting to be, I guess, kind of like blizzard-like conditions almost. You can't see too far down the road. Is the further I walk down 90, the more the snow's picked up. You can see how visibility has dropped. You can't even really see a quarter mile down the road. So I don't know why anybody would be out driving if they're not used to this kind of weather. So far, everybody I've seen driving has seemed to be pretty reasonable, driving slow. So haven't really seen any idiots out. Like I said, I did see somebody try to go up Scenic Highway, but the ice is pretty thick, and they slipped and slide and did a 180 and decided to come up 90 instead. So if you're out there driving, I'd probably avoid Scenic Highway with all the hills. You can see the visibility drop so much, so be careful.